The stopping distance calculator determines how far a vehicle travels from the moment a driver perceives danger until coming to a complete stop. Let's examine the inputs. First, select your unit system from the drop-down menu, which offers metric with kilometers per hour, meters and seconds, or imperial with miles per hour, feet and seconds. We'll use metric for this demonstration. Enter your initial speed in kilometers per hour. Input your reaction time in seconds, typically 1.5 seconds for an alert driver. The friction coefficient mu represents the road surface condition. Use 0.7 for dry asphalt or 0.4 for wet conditions. Finally, enter the road grade as a percentage. 0 for flat roads, positive values for uphill gradients. Here's our example calculation. With an initial speed of 10 kilometers per hour, a reaction time of 10 seconds, a friction coefficient of 10, and a road grade of 10%, we get these results. The reaction distance is 27.78 meters, the distance traveled while perceiving and reacting. The braking distance is 0.04 meters, the distance needed to physically stop. The total stopping distance combines both at 27.82 meters. This tool helps engineers design safer roadways and intersections. Find the link in the description below.